Countdown clock will resume on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. T-minus 9 minutes and holding. ELT, OTC. PLS auto sequence has been initiated.
ELT, go ahead.
Configure fuel cell central bus source switches.
Roger, central bus source to fuel cell. That's complete.
This is shuttle launch control at T-minus 8 minutes 25 seconds and counting. The plan at this point is to go down to T-minus 5 and hold and wait directions from the superintendent of range operations that we can proceed. We'll go now to mission control in Houston for a readiness statement there.
Flight proceed with transmission of stored program command.
Flight Wilco. This is Mission Control Houston. As the countdown progresses towards launch this morning, the flight crew, the shuttle vehicle, and the flight control team here in Houston have been declared ready to fly by Ascent Flight Director Wayne Hale. Weather at the primary transoceanic abort landing site, Ben Guerir, Morocco, has been declared go. Weather pilot Charlie Bolden, flying the range at that TAL site, described the weather as great this morning.
Yeah, let's go.
Launch conditions are presenting no concerns for flight controllers here, as there are no showers or weather activities of any concern in the launch corridor. There was a decision made here in Houston to redesignate the RTLS runway from 15 to 33 for enhanced winds and visibility. At this point, we're continuing to count down to a potential 5-minute hold. All positions here in the flight control room are ready to press on with the count for a liftoff this morning.
Go ahead, Bob.
Well, okay, Steve, looks like the weather's going to cooperate, so we'll see if you can't get us started off this year. Have a good one.
So, many thanks from us to you and the entire team, Bob. We appreciate it very much, and we'll have a good flight.
Yes, sir. HDD, OTC.
This is HDD.
You have your auto count complete yet?
Auto count's complete. All I need to do is get the test gas confidence checks.
Copy that.
And we're awaiting final word that we will continue with the countdown at T-minus 5.
And HDD, do you expect that to be complete in the next minute? Yes, I do. Okay, thank you.
GSRP, OTC, start APU and hydraulic strip chart recorders.
Copy, recorders are up.
ELT, OTC, perform APU pre-start.
Roger that.
Direction now to the commander to begin APU pre-start.
Two gray talkbacks, number 2's buffer hole.
Coming up on T-minus 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
We expected that on number 2.
Understood. HDD, NTD, how you doing? We're complete with our test gas confidence checks, and we're looking good. All right, you go to continue the count at 5 minutes. That's firm.
Copy, let's copy.
Appears we will be continuing the count past T-minus 5.
Yeah, let's go.
T-minus 4 minutes, 56 seconds and counting. Pilot Ken Cameron reporting that APU pre-start is complete.
CDR, OTC, reconfigure heaters.
CDR, roger.
The solid rocket booster and external tank safe and arm devices have now been armed.
That is complete. OTC CDR heater reconfig complete.
APUs are now running.
Okay, let's go for bird sequence 4.
Standing by to transfer to internal power. Gimbal check going on now of the 3 main engines of Atlantis. Final check of the orbiter steering.
Okay.
All systems go for launch. Main engines now in the start position.
STM-212. Okay, let's go for ET LO2 pressurization.
Great, STM. Yes, sir, the 25-miler weather advisory 4-3 has been terminated. Copy.
ELT-OTC, clear caution warning memory, verify no unexpected errors. DLT rod.
Standing by now to retract the gaseous oxygen vent hood. And the beanie cap now being retracted, and the swing arm will move away from the external tank. In a moment, the crew will be instructed to close their visors.
Warning memory is cleared, no unexpected errors. Copy that. OTC to flight crew, close and lock your visors, initiate O2 flow, and enjoy the ride.
CDR, roger, and thanks a million.
Okay, let's go for ET LH2 pressurization.
T-minus 90 seconds and counting. At T-minus 1 minute, the ground launch sequencer will verify that the Space Shuttle main engines are ready to start. Liquid hydrogen tank now at flight pressure. T-minus 1 minute. Ground launch sequencer verifying main engines are ready. Residual hydrogen burn igniters are armed. T-minus 45 seconds. Sound suppression water system armed. That will release water at T-minus 16 seconds at the rate of 900,000 gallons a minute. T-minus 31 seconds. We have the handoff to Atlantis' onboard computers. Atlantis now controlling.
25. 20.
T-minus 16 seconds. Sound suppression water system operating. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Main engine start, 3 good engines up and burning, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Atlantis and the Gamma Ray Observatory, seeking out the explosive forces of the universe.
Full program, Houston.
Roger, roll, Atlantis. Houston now controlling. Roll maneuver complete. Placing Atlantis and crew in the heads down attitude and on course for its 28.5-degree inclination orbit. Engines throttling down now to help maintain optimum aerodynamic conditions as Atlantis accelerates through the dense lower atmosphere. Engines throttling further down now to 67%. Velocity 860 feet per second, all systems performing well. Atlantis now beginning to emerge from the region of maximum dynamic pressure. Engines are throttling up.
Atlantis, Houston, go at throttle up.
Go at throttle up.
Atlantis' three main engines burning at 104% rated thrust. Velocity 2,200 feet per second, altitude 67,000 feet, downrange distance 8 nautical miles. All systems performing well. The next milestone in this climb to orbit will be solid rocket booster burnout and staging. That coming up in just about 15 seconds. We have confirmation of a clean separation on time. Guidance has converged. Velocity now 4,200 feet per second, altitude 190,000 feet, downrange distance 36 nautical miles.
Atlantis, Houston, performance is nominal.
Roger, nominal.
That call an indication that performance of the shuttle main engines and boosters in the first stage of flight was good. Three main engines continuing to burn well. Hydraulic and electrical systems performing well. Altitude now 246,000 feet.
Houston, two-engine Ben Guerir.
Two-engine Ben Guerir.
Atlantis could now make a transoceanic abort landing at Ben Guerir on only two engines, should that become necessary. Altitude 271,000 feet. Velocity 5,300 feet per second. Downrange distance 72 nautical miles. Time 3 minutes 30 seconds. All systems performing very well. We're just about 30 seconds away from reaching the point of no return. The point at which return to the launch site abort would not be an option. Altitude now 314,000 feet. Velocity 6,200 feet per second. Downrange 102 nautical miles.
Atlantis, Houston, negative return.